product switch program is used to switch existing product codes to a new product code number. For example, if you have product A and you wish to assign it product code B, this is the program that you would use. This screen allows for the entry of multiple switches. So for example, if you had 50 products that you want to switch, you can load them into this table and then run the switch program all at once for the switches to occur simultaneously. Now in the screen if we go and we execute query, we can see here that we have two products already entered in the switch program. Take a look at the second one here, product code 37168, which was switched to product code 40000. This is not a merge program. This is simply a renumbering of the old product number to a new product number. What will happen is the switch program will switch all existing tables in the system from the old product number to the new product code. This includes all the historical information found in the sales analysis module, anything in inventory, purchasing, and in manufacturing. It's not necessary in this program to set up the new product code in the product maintenance screen IN0100. In fact, the program will not allow you to enter anything in the new product field if the code already exists. In the example that we see here, this old product number 37168 that has already been switched to product 40000, and we can tell this from the update date. This indicates that this switch has occurred. In the case of CAP-750, this switch has been entered into the system but hasn't been executed yet. As we can see, the update date has not been populated. If you have multiple switches that you wish to run, you can go into this program, enter in your switches, and exit the program, come back in, enter in some more switches, and run the actual switch at your convenience. To enter a switch, we simply just go to the old product number, and in our case here, we're going to do a list of values to select a product to switch, and I'm going to select bot 750, and I'm going to give it a new product code number. We'll call it BT 750, and I save. So now that product code is loaded into the table, eligible now for switching. We recommend before running the product code switch that you click on the print switches button and print a hard copy of the switches. This is good for auditing purposes in the future. In the cases where you have papers or reports already out on the out of the system, for example invoices or reports that are showing the old product number, you may want to cross-reference it with the new product number that you've created, so it's good to have a hard copy of the switches printed out. The next step then would be to actually switch our products, and in this case here, since we have two products here, the CAP 750 and the BOT 750, those have not been updated yet. Those will be switched. So we click on the Switch Products button, and we can run this online. And we can see at the top part of the screen here the various tables that are now being switched. Now when the program is done, what we'll do is we'll come back into the program, execute query, and now we can see that our products have been switched. So at this point we'll fast track into product code maintenance IN0100, and we'll query on BOTT 750, and we'll see that the record isn't on file because it now has been switched to our new code BT 750. So all occurrences of BOT 750 no longer exists in the system. It's now been renumbered to BT-750. You can leave these codes that have already been switched in this table if you want to for cross-referencing in the near future, or you can purge the switches clicking on the Purge Switches button. If you've already printed out a hard copy of the switches that have taken place, then I would recommend that you can purge this table if you wish. But you should always keep a hard copy of what has been eligible for switching. So now if we query in this screen, there will be no records existing because we have purged the records. That concludes the tutorial on the product code switch.